In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your HTML code in real time. The application that I'm going to be using today is called Visual Studio Code. It's free 100%. You can download it. So what you'll need to do is, you'll need to open this page, and I'm going to copy the link of this page. So I'll put it in the description of my video. So just one click on it, and you'll be landed on this page. So once you open this page, what you'll need to do is simply, if you're on Windows, you can download for Windows by clicking here, or if you are on Mac OS, you can click on this button down, and you can download for Mac OS. You can download for Windows 64. This is user installer, and you can also download for Linux. So what you'll need to do is, after you install it, you'll simply need to open it up. So when you open it, it will look like this. Now I have opened my HTML document, and what you'll need to do now is you will need to click on this gear right here at the bottom left, then click on extensions. Now search for HTML preview. So HTML preview, so search for HTML preview. So when you search for that, you will need to download this extension, which is called HTML preview by Thomas 2000. So what you'll need to do is one click on it, and you'll be landed on this page, and you'll need to click here to install it. So once you install it, it will look like this, and I recommend you guys reading this part. It says to toggle preview, you will need to press Ctrl Shift plus V, alright, to toggle the preview. I'm going to close it now, and I'm going to hide this extension menu by moving my mouse over here and then just moving it like that. It will go away. Now I'm going to press Ctrl Shift V to view it, and this is the HTML live editor. This is my HTML. It's going to be a little bit hard if you work like this, because you will have to switch between the code and the view. So what I do is I just move my mouse over the title of the preview, and I just move it down, and I move it to the right, and then I drop it right there. So when I do that, as you notice, it will split the screen, and I'll be able to work here, and I'll be able to preview it in real time on the right side. So now I'm going to change the background color to a dark blue. So I'm going to say dark blue. As Jonas has changed that, so I can change this one to error. So Windows error. So Windows error, and as Jonas is editing in real time, so I'm going to change the color to white. So color white, and right here, as you notice, when it comes to JavaScript, it says some content has been disabled in this document. It's unable to view it. Alright, so it does a bad job when it comes to JavaScript, to be honest. Alright everyone, so thank you for watching, and enjoy code.